One massacre, 6 statements, and one alliance that survived everything except its own collapse.
Welcome to Hindu Infopedia. In this episode, we examine the documented records surrounding Mahatma Gandhi, the Khilafat Alliance, and the Mopla Uprising of 1921 in Malabar. The uprising lasted from August to December 1921.
During those months, thousands of Hindus were killed, thousands were reportedly subjected to forced conversions, tens of thousands were displaced, and numerous temples were destroyed.
These events became one of the most controversial episodes associated with the Congress-Khilafat partnership. The background to the crisis began before the violence itself. Gandhi had supported and formalized cooperation between the Indian National Congress and the Khilafat movement. Critics such as Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Annie Besant raised objections. In Malabar, existing tensions between Hindu Janmis and Muslim Mopla tenants combined with the wider Khilafat mobilization. Historical records also showed a long history of earlier Mopla uprisings before 1921. A major focus of the record is Gandhi's public response after the violence began. Across 6 documented statements, Gandhi described the Moplas as brave and God-fearing. He addressed the issue of conversions and discussed intervention in Malabar. He repeatedly emphasized courage and faith in response to the suffering of Hindu victims. Particular attention has been given to Gandhi's position that he and the Ali brothers could not intervene in Malabar without a British invitation. Critics argue that this left available influence unused during the crisis. Supporters maintain that Gandhi was respecting the restrictions imposed by the colonial administration. The debate remains significant because it concerns what actions were possible during the violence and what responsibilities political leaders carried at the time. Another important development occurred at the Ahmedabad Congress session in late 1921. Gandhi removed public condemnation as the test of Muslim friendship and instead emphasized private and effective efforts to prevent such events. During the same period, disagreements emerged over resolutions related to the Mopla violence. Critics argued that the final Congress position diluted responsibility and shifted attention toward British administrative failures.
The Khilafat alliance itself remained in place long after the massacre.
It ended only when the Turkish Caliphate was abolished in 1924. This continuation has remained a central point in debates about Gandhi's priorities and political calculations. The record also highlights Annie Besant's warning and her later criticism in Malabar's agony. She argued that the movement's rhetoric had contributed to the tragedy. Her objections became an enduring part of the historical discussion. These events continue to raise difficult questions about leadership, accountability, political alliances, and responses to communal violence during India's freedom struggle. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and visit Hindu Infopedia for more detailed historical analysis and documentation.